Hello, Metalheads, Mayhem Freak here with a new video. So, some of you maybe have noticed, I posted here yesterday on my Instagram and Facebook account that I was going to an event called Heavy Thunder Metal Market in Copenhagen. And this video I will show you what I have purchased this time. And in my opinion, it's okay, decent, great haul, indeed. The Metal Thunder Market in Copenhagen is it's events. There's taken off two times a year, April and November, and that is an amazing event if you are a collector. Metal collector like me, you can find everything there for new releases, second-hand releases, and rarities, box sets, patches, CDs, tapes, 7-inch vinyls, all kinds of great collectors items as well. So, and yeah. And I will show you what I have got this time. A tote bag from the Mephisto store. You can find the Mephisto store, a great store indeed, in Copenhagen as well, called Slesvigs Gade. You can find it there. But I will take this out. So, yeah, and I have to say, I could have spent my whole fucking salary in this place because fuck, I found a lot of fucking very amazing first editions and so on and so on. But as you as well, we have to pay bills and all that shit. So I had to restrain myself a little bit because I could have gone totally fucking economical broke in that place. So, but I found some decent first editions to a decent amount of money. So I'm very happy. So the first one I got, and that is from Record Vinyl 666, is this beauty. First edition. Very amazing. The next one I found was this. Also first edition. And again, Demo Boogie. And you can see here, it's a fucking good place to buy records indeed. The next one I got, and that is from Denmark, Mosbos Heimer. Looks like this. This guy plays very fucking awesome, raw but still atmospheric black metal, and they are from Denmark. Another one from them. And Gehenna first press. Marduk, first edition. Carlson Haddock. And Black Funeral. Rundfødt. from Finland. All these are first presses, and when I was on my way out, thinking, oh, no more, I should not buy anymore, now I will go home. I stumbled over a 7-inch vinyl box, you know, a box where there was a lot of 7-inch vinyls, and I found these two gems. Very happy. These are maybe the ones I'm most happy about to get. I remember I was here for a half year ago or something. I was sitting bragging about my big ass Dark Funeral complete collection. But then Helge Matra contacted me and said, "Oh, you are missing these tubes." So I wasn't aware that these exist in that time. So thank you very much, Helge Matra, for say that. And now I got the black one, blue one, sign it, and numbered as well. Very fucking awesome indeed. So again, if you found yourself in Copenhagen in April or in November, or just need a vacation, go in, visit Copenhagen, go to the Heavy Metal Thunder Fair. You will not get disappointed. And yeah, I think that was all for this time. Of course, I will make pictures as usual on my Mayhem Freak Insta account, and of course also on my Facebook account and Bandfund as well. So that was all for me this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. More will come, of course. Cheers.